From GPU clusters to AI factories, why capacity planning is the new competitive advantage. What if the biggest threat to your AI strategy isn't a lack of GPUs, but not knowing how to use them efficiently? Today, organizations are investing billions into AI infrastructure. New GPU clusters are coming online every month. But here's the challenge. Build too little and you miss explosive AI demand. Build too much and you're left with idle capacity, wasted capital, and shrinking margins. Welcome to the new era of data center capacity planning. As AI workloads continue to grow, traditional data centers are transforming into AI factories powered by high-density GPU infrastructure, advanced cooling systems, and massive power requirements. Yet many operators still rely on spreadsheets, fragmented tools, and delayed reporting to make critical infrastructure decisions, and that's becoming a costly mistake. The AI boom has compressed planning cycles from years to months. Hyperscalers are expanding aggressively, GPU demand is constantly shifting, new campuses are being announced across regions, and operators need visibility into future capacity before market conditions change. Without real-time intelligence, organizations face three major risks: oversupply, underutilization, and delayed responses to market demand. In a capital-intensive market, those risks can translate into millions of dollars in lost opportunities. This is where a modern data center intelligence platform changes the game. Instead of relying on disconnected information sources, platforms like BIS Market IQ consolidate infrastructure, commercial, and market intelligence into a single view. Operators can track upcoming data center projects, planned capacity additions, GPU density and AI readiness, cooling architectures, supplier ecosystems, and deployment timelines. More importantly, they gain visibility into 30, 60, and 90-day sellable capacity, allowing GPU deployments to align with actual demand rather than assumptions. The result? Faster decisions, better utilization, stronger pricing discipline, and portfolio-level optimization across multiple campuses. The real story isn't just about building bigger GPU clusters, it's about turning infrastructure data into strategic intelligence. In the AI era, the winners won't necessarily be the companies with the most GPUs. They'll be the companies that can predict demand shifts faster and allocate capacity smarter. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe for more deep tech insights shaping the future of AI infrastructure and data centers. And if you'd like to explore this market in greater depth, check out the report linked in the description below. Because in the age of AI factories, intelligence isn't optional, it's infrastructure.